There's a story the gypsies know is true, that when your love wears golden earrings, she belongs to you. An old story that's known to very few. But if you wear these golden earrings, love will come to you. By the burning fire, they will glow with every coal. You will hear desire whisper low inside your soul. So be my gypsy, make love your guiding light, and let this pair of golden earrings cast their spells tonight. You're breaking my heart 'cause you're leaving. You've fallen for somebody new. It isn't too easy believing you'd leave after all we've been through. It's breaking my heart to remember the dreams we depended upon. You're leaving a slow dying ember. I'll miss you, my love, when you're gone. I wish you joy, though teardrops burn. But if someday you should want to return, please hurry back and we'll make a new start. Till then you're breaking my heart. hold me, honey, won't you hold me, hold me, never let me go. Take me, honey, won't you take me, never forsake me, 'cause I love you so. Thrill me, let your kisses thrill me, just like you alone can do. Hold me tenderly and fold me, never try to hold me from you.